barbershops are pillars in the community.
Yes.
And like we mentioned before, barbers are also like therapists.
Yo.
So if someone came onto your chair and started talking to you about suicide, and he was like, bro, tonight, bro, I'm going to kill myself. What is that doing to the barber? You know, what does that do for his mental health? And how does that barber handle that situation in terms of what's he going to say to the guy on the chair? And how is he going to handle it when he goes home? So it's about giving our barbers the tools to handle those conversations.
A lot of times people don't have access to therapy, but men go to barbershops, like, and that's their space where they feel safe enough to talk about, you know, issues that are affecting their lives.
Talk about anything.
Yeah, talk about anything.
So everyone who's in Barberhood, once they come in, they pretty much understand that it's a safe space. And what I mean by safe is that you can practice being yourself. You don't have to be anyone else but yourself, and you're accepted for who you want to come as, you know. So that's pretty much it, if I did explain it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you did.
I'll just,
I love that you